In this video, I want to talk about the back-end affiliate commissions, which is
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
related to your affiliate cookie, but it's not exactly the same. And it's another way that affiliate programs make it easier for you to earn more money from initial sales. And the original way we were thinking about it is that if a cookie is like a 30-day long cookie, then all the purchases made by your referred client are purchases that you get credit for, not just the initial ones, but all of them for that duration of that cookie length. So that's great. But the term back-end commission mostly refers to the additional commissions on that initial sale. And the platforms, they are fantastic at the back-end commissions. For example, I might be browsing a book. This is my book, for example, but at the same time, look at this. They're telling me, oh, frequently bought together. And suddenly, one person buys for almost $50 instead of that sale price of $14.24 at the moment, right? You see that? So a lot of people actually do buy the bundles. So immediately there is a boost. But not only that, Amazon keeps on saying, hey, there's other cool things, other cool things. Look at this. Customers who bought this also bought that. So there's actually a lot of things one person might buy. Now, a lot of people just buy one thing and that's it. But on the other hand, a lot of people buy one thing and another and another and another. And all of a sudden, you just double, triple, or quadrupled your commission. And the platforms, they are fantastic. The Udemy's, the Amazons, a lot of these kinds of sites, they are really good at sales. I mean, literally that's all they do is sell. So it's their job. If you sell a product from a company directly, like let's say you sell the Bluehost affiliate program. This is the Bluehost affiliate, and you basically get one payment, in this case $65 for each sign up. But there is no backend. You just get the 65 and that's it. So you want to be aware of, okay, sure, you get that initial sale price, but that's not the real price of which your commission is based. The real price of which your commission is ultimately based is the initial sale, any upsells, and the additional sales for the duration of the cookie length. So that's the formula. Those three things, not just the initial payment. In this case, the Bluehost, they pay you $65, but they don't upsell anything else for you. At least I've never had a secondary commission from them. So the initial price they show you can be a little deceiving, and now you know really how to look at your commissions, what you'll really be getting.